My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Amft.store. Amft.store is a malicious site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This site, Amft.store, tries to make users download and install certain unwanted browser extensions that may operate as adware or as browser hijackers. So you should treat these pop-ups with extreme caution. These pop-ups, as I said, may hijack your browser and cause a lot of other troubles for your browser. Your search engine may be changed without your permissions, and other malicious changes may occur. Anyway, if you see these pop-ups, be very careful, don't trust them, and don't install anything that these pop-ups suggest. If any malware was installed or if any adware was installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should strongly examine your system with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.